how to merge two videos on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Let me tell you that merging two videos is not possible with the iPhone built-in feature. So you'll need to use third-party app like CapCut. I personally recommend CapCut. So open up your CapCut app and then go to edit option on the bottom left and then tap on new project. So choose the two videos that you want to merge, tick on it and then hit add option on the bottom right, and then now choose the parts of the video that you want. You can just drag the slider and then you can even cut from the middle part by tapping on the video, tapping on split and then going to the end where you want to cut, tapping on split again and then removing the middle part. And you can even put in the effects of your choice. You can put various video effects that are free and not paid, and then you can even put various text, and then you can even put on music, and then that's it. It's as simple as that to merge two videos on iPhone using the CapCut app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.